Hey there, I really want to walk you through a process of using Pictory AI. It's a really great tool that allows you to repurpose content for video purposes. So I've created articles talking about how this tool has been able to turn blog articles into faceless YouTube videos. I will link the article in the video description as well. So I highly encourage you to check that out. But it's not just, a repurposing video just only for faceless videos. I really want to really highlight one part that allows you to really auto highlight videos that really works great for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, IG Reels, any short form content when it comes to video content. And what's also pretty cool is that you can automatically add subtitles, which I really love because it goes a long way when it comes to repurposing content. So I wanted to go ahead and walk through this process. It's really just this section right here. So you're going to edit videos using text, click proceed. Let's go ahead and do that. And you can go ahead and either do a YouTube video link, upload the video, Google Drive, whatever works best for you. Once when that's done, you will upload the video and it'll take a couple minutes, but you'll get notified when it's already done the transcription, and then you can go ahead and do your editing further forward. I went ahead and actually did it for you in the sense that I've already, kind of created this and worked ahead of schedule. In any case, it does a pretty good job when it comes to transcribing the videos. Of course, it's not perfect, so I highly encourage you just to review the subtitles, make edits if you need to. If you need to make an edit, you can go ahead and select edit word. But I really want to focus on, it not only transcribes videos, but it also does this auto highlight feature, which is pretty cool. So it will use its AI to really kind of determine what's the most important part of the video that it should really bring to focus. So from that point on, if I wanted to do 5%, which I did here, you're going to select auto highlights, 10%, so on and so forth. So it's really cool in my opinion. And we can see that when it does 5% of the video, it's translated to 1 minute. Now, of course, if you are repurposing to, YouTube Shorts or TikTok or so on and so forth, really generally most platforms are less than a minute. So I would recommend you maybe delete some parts or you take on some parts so that you can really, make sure to hit under that 1 minute mark. So I'm not gonna think much through about this, but let's go ahead and just do that. I just want to show you the process of what it looks like to remove things, but as you can see, it's less than a minute, 58 seconds. If you want to generate the highlights video and you're all ready to go, I recommend to click this button. But if you want to customize it so that it works really good with the ratios of TikTok, YouTube Shorts, so on and so forth, then let's go to the customize section. So we're in the customize section, which is pretty awesome. One thing that I'm going to recommend is when you are really, resizing this so that it fits best for, YouTube Shorts and all those platforms, is you want to make sure that the text box is actually centered, but also in a way where, when you resize it, you can actually see the text. So I always like to just drag this down. So it's kind of centered. It works well. You can obviously center it if you want to do it automatically. Edit the text, really go from there. Another thing that I like to do is just press apply position to all. Also do it right here. So as we can see in these other scenes, it automatically did that to size, which is pretty cool. So now we want to go ahead and walk through the process of what it would look like when we format it. So if you format it, you can have different formats. If you want to change different formats, I believe you need to be on the premium plan. So just keep in mind when it comes to that. You can go ahead and select 9:16. So it's automatically going to take this part right here and make sure it fits perfectly for IG Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, things like that. You can also optimize the video for size. Again, whatever works best for you. But for purposes of this, I just want to walk you through and show you what happens. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to press generate, and then it will create the scenes, generate the video, and then you'll get a notification when it's ready to go, and you can repurpose your content and schedule your content on the necessary platforms, TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So I will see you in the next video. Let me know what was your number one takeaway.